All right, we're back. We're headed to the shop. Got a bunch of parts in from Brandon. Brandon 24 valve, just got that big gray second gen. He's building all these parts himself. Yeah, they're massive, really big parts. I got all my link bars in yesterday. A couple weeks ago, I got like my axle trusses, my upper cross members, coil buckets. Yeah, I got all that from him a few weeks ago. So those are on the truck. You guys have not seen it since it was a stock rolling chassis. So yeah, we're in the 6.0 now, headed to the shop. There's the pig. So I bought this Duramax and I put a hot tune on it this like second week of owning it and blew the turbo immediately. So we have a turbo to do on this thing. Let me tell you, if you own an LB7, you gotta do a turbo, it sucks. So here's the frame. A little different than last time you guys seen it. So I got the cradles from RI Fab. I wish I didn't do that. I wish I just stuck with Brandon the whole way from the beginning. But everything else is made by Brandon. Got these crazy coil buckets, 6.0 on them. Front axle truss goes crazy. Upper cross member. There's a panhard bar. I got here late last night and just wanted to just mock it up. The rear axle truss. The lower link bar mounts. These are just dummy shocks I got in there now. Upper cross member. It says 6.0 right there on the overlay too. Yeah, so it's looking a little different than the last time. Still got lots of like grinding and stuff to do. There's quite a bit of like dimpling in the surface. So I've got a lot of sanding and grinding, wire wheel to make the frame all pretty, but I'm just getting it all mocked up. Gonna put it down on the ground first, and then take it all apart and get everything powder coated and start rebuilding the axles and whatnot. So yeah, here are some of the link bars. I'm waiting on 2 more to come in. These are crazy. They're so nice. They're massive though. They're really long. This sway bar, solid piece of steel. Damn. Steering right there, tie rod bar, and yeah. So give me all the bolts for it. Over here we got sway bar mount billet. They're massive. These steel plates get welded onto your frame. These hold your sway bar, that solid piece I just showed you. They hold that, which will go somewhere around here on the frame. Come down. I'll have arms coming off and links going down. Just a comparison to the stock one. Look how dinky this little bar is compared to, like, that's just the mount right there. It's gonna go crazy. Yeah. These are all the heim joints. They're huge heim joints. Misalignment spacers. So we still got to order the front shocks, coilovers. I ordered 14-inch. I was wrong in my last video. They're 14-inch. Ordered 14-inch for the front, but I want it to go bigger after I ordered them. So I'm gonna run the 14-inch in the rear and go 16-inch in the front. No, it will not be squatted. It's built to have a 2-inch smaller coilover in the rear than the front. So yeah, it should be sitting big. Don't know exactly what it'll be like, but if I had to guess, probably like 26, 28-inch lift. So she will be clearing 44s by a mile. So I bought this reamer bit. I don't know if I'll need it or not. Oh, color matched. Yeah. I don't know if I'll need it or not, but it's a reamer bit for 3/4. Last night when I was mocking up the panhard bar, the bolt didn't really go through nicely. They're 3/4 bolts and a 3/4 hole. So I don't know if I just gotta ream it out a bit with the reamer, but we will find out. I'll have to adjust them, get the center of the axle dialed in. Okay, so I just got all these arms installed. Like I said earlier, I don't have the bolts for down here, so I just got a little bolt just holding it up. Those come in, I think they come in Wednesday, so yeah, I'll swap those out obviously. And I will center the axle and tighten everything up. And then I'm gonna put it down on its own weight for the first time in months, which is pretty exciting. I got to weld on my sway bar mounts. I'll mount the sway bar, measure that up, and get that cut. And yeah, send my steering knuckle off to Brandon. I'm gonna get a high steer knuckle. Yeah, that's the progress so far. There's the steering. what's up?
Here.
Okay, so I just got my exhaust finally put on. I've been running no exhaust really. It's been cut right there for like the past like 6 months. So I finally just put that last little over the axle piece on with the 6-inch elbow. Damn, she looked good. She looked good. I don't like that clamp there. That does not look good. I gotta do something about that. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll spin it so you don't really see it. It's on the bottom, but for now, I'm gonna keep it just the way she is. Yeah, she's rusty. She's rusty. It's an old rust bucket. But yeah, I'll insert a clip now of this exhaust, how it sounds. Okay, it's Wednesday. We got our package from Brandon. The rest of the arms are in. There they are. So let's get them unloaded here and get them on the truck.
We gotta go. Montana's Wednesday. Ribs. All you can eat. Let's go.
It is. That's right.
What do you think about the new whip, boys? Sema tomorrow.
Look at this
Tomorrow,
thing.
Sema rig.
Like the bumper gap.
What from Peter Singh?
Over in Surrey.
Yeah, it's probably rolled back or something. It's only got 200,000.
It's not rolled back yet. Sheesh. Got the wood grain.
Full of.
What's this? Oh, fifth wheel.
Yeah, she's kind of clean though.
It's kind of clean.
Hey, obviously the draw wasn't good with the fifth wheel.
Yeah, no kidding, eh? Damn. How much?
$6,500 plus $350 impound plus a $600 ticket and plus 4 cops pulling me over. So like 75.
75, Hundy.
7,500.
Sell it for what, 10? 12?
15.
15.
15 cash tomorrow probably.
Tomorrow.
17,500 and I sit on for a week.
Take it tomorrow.
I'll take it tomorrow.
Yeah. That's what we got going on. Okay, we got it on its own weight. Put some stocks on it. Tightened everything up. And now it is a rolling chassis with a fully custom 4-link front and rear. From stock to plus 28, I would say. Big. Okay, that's gonna end the video. So like, subscribe, comment, and if you want to see more of this, yeah, we'll just do what I just said, and you'll be okay.